You won the free Porsche.
No freaking way. Are you serious? I won the Porsche.
What's going on, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel. You all know what day it is. It's time we give away our Porsche for free to one of you all.
That means we hit 1 million subscribers, and here is the plaque to prove it.
Look what perfect timing. Literally the day we're picking the Porsche winner, our gold play button comes in. This has been just a gigantic dream of ours. I mean, never in a million years did we think when starting out our little YouTube channel that we'd be at 1 million subscribers.
Yeah. That is
wow,
beautiful.
I have never seen gold play button in person before. Look at that. Presented to JR Garage for surpassing 1 million subscribers. Unbelievable, guys. This is all thanks to you. So you clearly know to celebrate 1 million subscribers, we decided to give away one of our cars. Obviously, we're not in the position to quite give away a Ferrari or Lamborghini yet. Maybe at 10 million subscribers, we'll give away a Ferrari. Let's give away the Porsche. It's well loved on the channel. You guys have seen it, millions of views. So it's one of the most famous Porsche Boxsters online, I'm pretty sure. So what better car to give away?
Yep, hundreds of you asked if you could buy the car. So we figured the most fair way, instead of just selling it to one person, was give it away randomly.
All you guys had to do was hit 3 buttons. Subscribe to our other 2 YouTube channels and follow us on Instagram if you weren't already. And if you didn't have an Instagram, all you had to do was comment on the video and I would manually enter you into my spreadsheet, which I'm about to show you in just a second.
Yes.
That took so long entering everyone. Well over 30,000 entries, I'm pretty sure. We'll get the exact number, it's on my computer. Okay. And I'm talking really, really fast because I have a flight to catch in like 20 minutes. I'm going back to the East Coast because, remember the Bentley, guys? Where's the Bentley? Where's the Bentley? Guys, where's the Bentley? Bentley update? You're gonna get an update very soon. Let's just say we're shipping out the Bentley, the 944 Turbo everyone's been asking about, the M3. I am really good at Excel now. Boy, oh boy, I haven't used it this much since 7th grade in middle school. Let's first see how many entries total we have. 36,521. Basically, there were 2 ways to get bonus entries. Like the day after it started, I said if you repost our Instagram picture on your story, you got an extra entry for free. A lot of people did that. So those are the first like hundreds. And then it goes into a massive section of Instagram followers. And then we manually entered the 900 or so people, or 1,000. I don't know, I had my mom do it. I said, Mom, anyone who says they don't have Instagram but they follow the steps, put them into the Excel sheet. Fair and square, nobody had to pay a penny. You know, on other giveaways, it's, you can win, but you gotta spend $100 in our store or something like that. We didn't want to do that, right?
That's true. We are giving away tons of merch also in addition to the Porsche Boxsters. So if you're not the grand prize winner, iPad, GoPro, and tons of JR Garage swag.
Yes. Okay. So I mean, focus, just to show you guys. So here's the first, like I said, hundreds, all the usernames of the people who tagged us in their stories, our mentions list, and just copying everyone over. I mean, it just goes on and on and on and on and on. All the people who tagged 3 friends, yeah, look at them all. Literally thousands, but I got them all. I copied them all. And my computer literally almost like broke twice. Without further ado, you guys see the list. It's time we randomly select a number. Okay, so my laptop's right there. I think it's time we pick the winner. Christian, aren't you sad to see it go?
I am. In preparation for the new owner, we got to do an oil change and alignment on the car. So I was up under it, really got to get a great feel for this car, and it is such a nice car. So nice that I got to drive it around for the past day or 2. Just really enjoying it before it goes because I really, really love this car. It drives smooth, great looks.
It sounds great because the 5-speed exhaust, so definitely bittersweet, but like we said, we have enough other cars in the garage and we have more on the way, so you know, you gotta make room and to celebrate 1 million subs. Remember guys, this is for you. So, got the computer and I have Google pulled up. Ignore this. Random. Google has a feature when you put in random number between 2 fixed numbers, it'll just spit out a random number. So here we have 1 to 36,521.
Drum roll, please.
3, 2, 1. Christian.
Dang it.
Okay. Oh, man, I forgot. We have no Wi-Fi at the warehouse here. Okay, Tether. You have Tether on your phone. Sorry, pardon our technical difficulties. We will have a number in just a second.
There it goes.
All right, that was easy. And the winner, not the winner, the number I mean, 150. Okay, that's fairly low. So that means that the winner will be someone who tagged us on their Instagram story. So if we go over here, we go down to 150. Shoot, this is gonna be the winner right in front of our eyes. 60, 70, all you, oh man, the comments we're gonna get, no, I was Redline Exotics, I was only 70 away. Sorry guys, you were close, but no cigar. Okay, 150, 150, 120, 130, 140, here we go, here we go. 149. Boom, 150. Josh.Haywood 27. Here we go, moment of truth. Wait, dot Hey
H-E-Y.
H-E-Y Haywood 27. Yeah, he has to be following us, and we get to see him for the first time, see what he's up to. Okay, follow back. He is following us. That's good.
Yes.
And now, if my calculations are correct, if we go to our message feed, if there's anything there, it should say mention you in our story because obviously I got him down as somebody who tagged us. So let's go to that. Boom, mentioned you in his story. So he doesn't even know that I saw it, but I did. That's verified, and he's following us. So he should be good to go. So
DM him.
yeah, okay, this is exciting. Oh shoot, there he is in a McLaren. So he's into cars. This is good. Okay, Josh, accept. Now, this is where it gets interesting, guys. We're not gonna tell him, hey bro, you won my Porsche, We're gonna message him saying like, hey, give me your number. Let me give you a quick call. I need information regarding the t-shirt you won or something like that. But he will have no idea he won the Porsche. Hey Josh, congrats. You won a t-shirt, we'll do t-shirt in the giveaway. Please respond with your number. I need to text you regarding shipping info. Thanks, Jeff. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and quickly rapid fire pick the other ones because I know this video is getting long anyway. But Christian, if you wanna pull up on your phone the random generator, and we'll just go bang, bang, bang. Enter. 1308.
1308.
Okay, 1308, 500, 600. Oh yeah, it'd be this person. Jacob Bush with 2 B's and 2 H's, okay? So you're the winner of the next best thing was the GoPro. So congrats.
24,322.
Okay. Okay, Famous Boy LUC on Instagram. So congrats, you won an iPad.
3 more.
So lucky t-shirt winners are
28,656.
So this person was someone who I guess doesn't have an Instagram, but they subscribe to all the channels. They left a comment on that video. So their YouTube handle is LAM1GRA. I'll throw it up on the screen. Again, don't try to DM us saying that you're that person and spoof it with copying the username and stuff. Okay.
21,981.
Probably just another Instagram winner. Just a stock SV650 on Instagram.
6,458.
And that last winner is an Instagram person, Kellen, or Kella, Kellandewitt. Kellen Dewitt, you're the last lucky winner. Congrats. Now comes the time of me at the airport DMing everyone, and then tomorrow I will pick this video up. He hasn't seen our message yet, so hopefully by tomorrow everyone will respond. Okay, let's go to the airport. I'm about to not be late. Check this out. So he's literally typing right now. We're rushing off to the airport. I'm literally gonna be so late for this flight. Saw our message and now he's typing back. So fingers crossed, he replies with his phone number. And you guys will see it go down firsthand. So yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow, which is in 3 seconds. Here we go. It's the next day. So as you guys saw, this is the first message I sent him telling that he won a t-shirt. So look what he replies. Awesome. Too bad it's not the Boxster, but I'm picking up an S4 on this Saturday, so it's cool. Sounds like he really wanted to win the Boxster, and that's hilarious that he made the joke like, oh, too bad I didn't win the Boxster. Little does he know he did actually win the Boxster. Now he said, I'm picking up an S4 this Saturday. So he's buying a car? So does that mean if now that he knows he won the Porsche, he doesn't have to go out and buy a car? Like, I have no idea. Did he already buy it? Did he already pay for it? I don't know. What's also cool, I didn't even realize he has a YouTube channel, not that he really like posts on it. It has like 15 subscribers, but his most recent video, Everyday Exotics is his username. His most recent video from, I mean, it's 10 months ago, but still, it's his most recent one, buying a Porsche for college. So what a good home this car will obviously probably go to, unless he doesn't want to accept it for some odd reason, but it sounds like he's always wanted a Porsche. So this is like perfect. This is just a perfect case scenario. He's about to win a free Porsche. Okay, here we go. All right, Josh is his name.
Hello?
Hey, Josh, it's Jeff from JR Garage.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, what's up? I'm doing all right. How are you?
Good. Procrastinating homework, just college life stuff.
Procrastinating homework, college. Okay, sweet. So from your profile, are you in like California, it sounds like, or where are you?
I'm in Rexford right now, but yeah, generally California.
Oh, where's Rexford?
Idaho.
So you're up there for college, but you live in like California?
Yeah.
So you're one of the lucky 8 winners, obviously. So that's pretty good. 8 out of tens of thousands. So you hyped about that?
Oh yeah, I was super excited. Like I saw a message like JR Garage, I'm like, did I win the Porsche? But it's still a t-shirt. It's like super cool though.
Yeah. I have something to tell you. So I was lying about the t-shirt. You actually won the Porsche.
No way.
You won the free Porsche.
No freaking way. Are you serious? I won the Porsche.
I'm 100% serious. For the video.
No.
Yep. For the video, I told the video that I was just gonna trick you into thinking you got a t-shirt, and then I was gonna drop the surprise on you.
No way, dude, like I'm grinning ear to ear right now. Like this is amazing.
Holy cow. Okay, so you said you were like planning to buy a car, so like what, is that already bought? Are you gonna have 2 cars now? Or you
I've got 2 cars now. I go to Salt Lake City to go pick up my Audi S4 I just bought.
now you got one for like California weather, top down, and then you got the S4 for daily driver duty in the snow and stuff.
Yeah, dude, I can't wait. Dude, I'm so pumped right now.
Yeah, how was that surprise?
Dude, I'm speechless. Like, that's awesome.
Sweet, I'm happy. I looked at your page. It's obvious that you're really into cars.
That's what I'm studying.
Oh, what are you studying exactly?
Automotive tech management and engineering.
So what's your like dream job?
I want to be a luxury automotive sales specialist or a brand ambassador.
Ah, sweet. Okay. All right. I like it.
Entrepreneurial mindset, you know, commissions, like you get what you put out of it.
Yep, that's right. So, do you know how to drive a manual?
Of course.
All right. He knows how to drive a manual. Perfect. That saves me a whole step of having to teach you.
What car guy doesn't drive a manual?
There we go. All right. I like that. We'll obviously have to figure out logistics, all the pickup stuff, but of course, you know, it's ready to go, and you are pretty much. I'm just filming right now the camera, so say hi to the vlog.
Yeah, what's up, guys?
There's a lot of people who want to be in your shoes right now. Crazy odds. Yeah. See, and all you had, wasn't it the easiest thing ever? Just subscribe to a couple channels.
Yeah, it was like super easy. Like, and you always see the YouTuber like page like, subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a car, and normally it's just like a publicity stunt. You know?
Right, yeah, clickbait, fake.
But like, it didn't seem like it. Like, you look like a reputable guy, like someone I can trust. Why the heck not? You know, Porsche's like my favorite automotive brand.
So you have a YouTube channel. Obviously, you don't post on it too much, but your most recent video is like, should I buy a Porsche or something for college? So you've always wanted a Boxster or Cayman?
Between college and getting into it, you know. And I think it'd be super cool to like keep pursuing it, but I'm not good with computers and editing.
I hear you. Well, now you'll be posting a lot of videos, I think. You know, I want Jared Garage's Porsche. And just so the people know, like, obviously here come the comments. Oh, you know this Josh guy? He's your friend or something like that. So you wanna tell him that we definitely do not know each other in the slightest bit.
Yeah, definitely don't. Like, you're not following me. You know, you only have my number for this video.
The random number generated by Google was 150, and the first like hundreds were all the people who put us on their story. So it just so happened you were number 150. So like crazy.
I had seen some of your videos in the past few years ago, like driving the Lamborghini to your high school.
Yep.
And one of my friends shared on their story the giveaway, and I was like, you know what? I'll throw my luck at it. Let's see what happens.
No way. So you found out about the giveaway from one of your friends who tagged us. No way. Like, yeah. What's their name?
Yeah, it's Mr. Audi _ RS3.
Oh, man. Well, you can thank him big time. Because now,
I'm going to.
Oh, wow. I mean, you're obviously busy with college, but like if you have a break or something in there, you know, if you want to fly in, drive it home either to California or Idaho or whatever you want to do.
Yeah, that would actually work. My mom's boyfriend lives in Tucson.
Oh.
And so I'm in Tucson fairly often.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, when you come to Tucson, we're only a couple 2 hours away. You get a ride in some of the cars, and we're gonna have make a fun day of it. So, congrats once again. There's the good news. You didn't win a t-shirt. Well, actually, I'll give you a t-shirt as well. So you won the t-shirt. I wasn't lying about that, but you just also happened to win a free Porsche as well. It's going to go to a good home and get good use, obviously. Now you got a winter car, you got a summer car. Oh, thanks for, you know, sharing me on your story and spreading the giveaway and being a viewer of the channel. And you know, it's cool that you remember those early videos like Lambo Goes to High School. That's a really OG video. Sweet. And how old are you?
19.
19. Perfect. This is one of your first cars. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. You're gonna love it. That thing is I'll be sad to see you go. Chris and I really like that car. You're gonna love it. Well, we'll coordinate soon.
Awesome. Thank you.
Bye. See ya. Have a good night.
All right. You too. Bye.
Bye. Guys, that was like the perfect case scenario. Wow. That will be going to a good home. I'm so hyped. So anyway, I know this video is getting really long, but there you go. There's Josh, the grand prize winner. I DM'd everyone else who I mentioned for all the other prizes. So they'll be getting their winnings. If somebody doesn't come to collect their prize or shirt or whatever, I'll mention in the next video and we'll give it to somebody else who wants it. Thank you all for watching. This was the most awesome giveaway ever. I'm so hyped we were able to do it and that you guys supported it. And yeah, stay tuned. Maybe we'll do another one. Check out the leaves changing color here on the East Coast. We definitely don't get that in Arizona, but I'm flying to SEMA in literally like 20 minutes. This whole video has just been of me rushing to airports. I've been flying all across the country like crazy. So subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for the next giveaway, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, have a good day.
That it feels right.